How to merge two photos in PicsArt app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's video, I'll show you how to merge two photos in the PicsArt app. Super easy, super fast and perfect for edits. Open up the PicsArt app and then go to the plus icon at the bottom and then first of all, tap on the plus edit an image or video option and choose your main photo. Now to add second photo, look at the bottom toolbar, swipe to the left and you'll see add photo. Tap on it and pick the second picture you want to merge. Now once the second photo loads, use your fingers to resize, rotate or move it anywhere in the screen. Now, if you want to blend the photo, you can tap on blend option and then you can tap multiply, color burn, darken, lighten, screen, overlay and many other options available here. So, once you're satisfied, you just hit apply at the top right. And that's it. It's as simple as that to merge two photos in your PicsArt. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.